another different kind of video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 free best screen recorders for PC 2020. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, in the 5th place, we have Ice Cream Screen Recorder. I'm pretty sure you all might have heard of the screen recorder. It records up to 60 FPS. I know that sounds great, but there is a drawback for this. See, if you are a gamer and you're using this recorder, I wouldn't recommend it. So in this recorder, if you set it as 60 FPS, it constantly records at 60 FPS. But that won't match with your game's FPS because the FPS of your game keeps changing accordingly. So whatever you do, there will be lag. And it records at 480 pixels. Now here's the problem. It has a huge watermark on the bottom right corner of your screen. The Ice Cream Screen Recorder supports most PCs after 29. It is also compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Mac OS. I wouldn't recommend this screen recorder, but if your PC is a very old PC and you can't do anything about it, this is your only choice. Let's move on to the next one. Number 4, we have Bandicam. I am 100% sure that you guys have heard about the screen recorder somewhere or the other. It is a very old screen recorder. Even though the screen recorder is very old, I can still recommend it to you guys to use it in 2020. Now let me explain to you about this thing in detail. Bandicam records from 15 FPS to 60 FPS. This is perfect for gaming because it matches the FPS of your game. So there will be no lag in your recording, unlike Ice Cream Screen Recorder. It also records at 480 pixels just like the Ice Cream Screen Recorder. Bandicam still has a watermark, but it is way smaller than the watermark the Ice Cream Screen Recorder gives. Just like the Ice Cream Screen Recorder, Bandicam supports most PCs after 29. Bandicam is compatible with Windows 7, 8 and 10. It is not for Mac OS. It is only exclusive for Windows. On to the third one. Now before we move on to the third one, you guys might be wondering, there are better screen recorders than Bandicam. Why are you showing us Bandicam? We don't want to watch it. But I just learned that a staggering 40% of the people who have PCs have the oldest of PCs which do not support these new screen recorders. That's why I've included Bandicam and Ice Cream Screen Recorder for those who have old PCs. Let's move on to the third one. You have definitely not heard of this one. This one is called Active Presenter. Out of this list, this is the first screen recorder which does not have a watermark. But unfortunately, it still records in 480 pixels, which is very annoying. Even though Active Presenter dates all the way back to 2007, the latest updates the company has been giving only makes it support computers which are after 2011. As you all might have guessed, Active Supporter is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Mac OS. Just like Bandicam, it records from 15 FPS to 60 FPS according to your gameplay. Now, I would say the coolest feature is that it has an amazing built-in video editor. It has so many options. I've tried it myself. It's just incredible. But still, video quality matters. That's why it's not number 1. Moving on to the second one. Now this one is only for serious gamers. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Windows inbuilt game bar. Just like the other recorders, it records from 15 to 60 FPS. It does 1080p recording, and it also allows you to play music through Spotify when you're gaming. And the best part is that it even shows your PC stats while you're gaming. It shows how much of your CPU is being used. It shows how much of your GPU is being used. It even shows how much of your RAM is being used and how much FPS you're playing on. Now that's just insane. So you might be wondering, why isn't this number one? It's awesome. Well, there are two drawbacks. One is that it only supports Windows 10 and it doesn't support all Windows 10 PCs. It only supports the latest PCs which has Windows 10. Now that's just annoying, right? That's why number one is gonna fix everything for you. And the best screen recorder of 2020 is OBS Studio. Just like the other screen recorders, OBS records from 15 to 60 FPS depending on your game's behavior. Using the right setting, OBS can record in 1080p. It can also live stream in 1080p. Now that's just cool, right? And the best part is that you can record your video however you wanted it to be recorded. If you only wanted screen recording, you could go ahead to sources and hit display capture. If you want screen recording and face cam, you have to hit video capture. This is why OBS deserves to be in number one spot. OBS is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, macOS and Linux. See, it is the only one which supports Linux. OBS supports most PCs which are after 2012. Now, if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.